The Lenovo Y series are popular amongst gamers who are looking for a gaming laptop that can fulfill their needs and elevate their gaming experience to a whole new level. In this video, I'm going to make a detailed overview of the Lenovo Legion Y720, a VR-ready laptop that integrates exclusive hardware and spectacular design, which make it a must-have for every gamer who wants to play games with a stable FPS rate. From a design perspective, the Y720 measures 10 inches in height, 1 inch in width, 14.96 inches in length, and weighs around 7 pounds, which means that it isn't that lightweight, but still you can handle it without any noticeable effort. This model comes in a black and red color combo that extends its gaming purpose, so from the moment you place it on your desk, you will already know that you're going to expect from it. The chassis looks really aggressive, due to the fact that it employs an aluminum and plastic construction, which is accompanied by brushed crosshatch pattern that gives it a carbon fiber-like appearance. At the center, you can see the red Y logo, while at the bottom, on the left and the right side, there are exhaust vents finished in red, so when you see the laptop from above, it looks definitely wonderful. The connectivities include 3 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI port, an audio microphone combo jack, an RJ45 LAN port, a display port, a built-in camera, and a USB-C Thunderbolt 3 port that can transfer data as fast as 40 GB per second. The integrated web camera that is positioned on the top of the screen and the built-in mic are useful, but they aren't that surprising, since almost any laptop has them. Before we move to the next section, I want to inform you that the Y720 has an integrated Xbox One wireless controller support, but unfortunately, you won't find any included controller in the package, so you should buy one additionally. When you open the lid, you will immediately notice the sleek surface that houses an RGB keyboard and a touchpad that has a red border around it. But let's first talk about the keyboard. I really like the fact that the Lenovo's keyboard is multicolored, programmable, and backlit, so you can either have the standard red backlight or customize the lighting by using the Lenovo's Nerve Sense application. In addition, the keyboard is comfortable, feels soft under your fingertips, and the most important part, it doesn't require a heavy actuation press to register your taps. This is very important during your gameplay, because you would have to press multiple keys at once, and if they are not registered properly, then you would have some troubles in winning the match. The touchpad surface is very smooth and has an excellent gesture recognition, but as you already know, using the touchpad for gaming purposes is not very adequate. That's why I would suggest you use your external gaming mouse, because they have a high DPI and are a lot more responsive when you compare them with the regular touchpad. For everything else except gaming, the touchpad does its job perfectly fine, such as web surfing, opening documents, and similar stuff. Anyways, let's move to the next section and start talking about the laptop's features and performance. The Lenovo Y720 includes an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, 512GB SSD, and NVIDIA GTX 1060 with 6GB of memory, which make it suitable for mid-range gaming with a stable FPS rate of up to 60 FPS, as I previously mentioned. The specs are fantastic for the price you're paying, and when we add the graphic card's VR ability, everything combined guarantees long and flawless gaming sessions. Another great thing about this laptop is its 15.6-inch IPS LED backlit Full HD screen that is covered with an anti-glare layer with the intention to reduce the glares to the minimum and make your gameplay smooth and enjoyable. Since it has an IPS panel instead of a TN1, you would be able to see the well-defined visuals and consistent color reproduction even if you view it from wide viewing angles. Those who have already bought this laptop claim that all of the games that they have been playing were looking exceptionally good and didn't notice any color shifting. So, for now, I simply can't find any remarks regarding the screen and the hardware. I would also like to inform you that the laptop will not overheat even if you've been gaming for a longer period of time, thanks to the improved and innovative thermal design. The dual metal fans and the rear air vents are incredibly effective in releasing the heat and protecting the internal hardware components. The fan's noise level isn't that high under heavy load as well. I don't want to say that the noise doesn't exist, but it is not that high to interrupt your comfort. If you notice any heat, then I'd recommend you use the Lenovo Nerve Sense, which has an extreme cooling option for your fans, so you literally shouldn't worry about anything. What surprised me about this laptop is the audio quality, because that doesn't come often with other laptops, regardless if they are gaming laptops or not. Lenovo included dual 2-watt JBL speakers and a 3-watt Dolby Atmos woofer, which are exceptionally powerful, and I think that they will definitely enrich your gaming and movie watching experience. You can take advantage of the Dolby Atmos software as well, since it will let you choose between many sound profiles which were specifically designed for gaming, music, and movies. Therefore, I really doubt that you would have to use external speakers or headphones, but either way, I personally use headphones for gaming regardless of how good the laptop speakers are. The battery life is expected to last for about 5 hours of gaming, which isn't that great in my opinion, but this shouldn't be a real issue since most of the gamers always have their laptop plugged into a charger. To conclude, I think that the Lenovo Y720 would be a top option for every gaming fanatic after everything that I presented, so you should seriously consider it as your next purchase because it has everything necessary to let you play many games and give you an access to the world of virtual reality. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about this laptop, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.